Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so excited to be doing my day in the life of a full-time freelancer and blogger. So now you see me just getting up and at 'em. I head straight to the kitchen, put all of my stuff on the table. That's just kind of my workspace right now. I get a warm lemon water and make sure I fill up this big water jug. I try to fill this up twice a day. I will also be linking it in the description if you guys are interested. And then, yeah, look at this cloudy, dreary day. What does perfect even mean? And then I go and wash my face, brush my teeth for the morning, and typically I don't share my stuff I'm using on my face and my skincare just because everybody's different. What works for me may not work for you, it may, but I'm kind of hesitant on recommending skincare. I'll obviously tell you guys what I'm using, but that's not to say it might not work for you as well, so just keep that in mind. And then now you have to go do your household duties, and here I'm just emptying the trash for the day. Can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get them. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited you're here because this video was definitely requested because a lot of people don't understand what I do on a day-to-day basis, especially when I announced that I was a full-time freelancer and blogger. A lot of confusion went on, and now today I just wanted to show you kind of what a day in the life looks for me. So it is Tuesday and it is about 8:30, so I try to wake up between like 7 to 8 p.m. just depending how you know, the day before went, because I really do scatter my work throughout the day. I allow myself, since I am my own boss, I do allow myself to, you know, go to the gym for, you know, so many hours a day, midday, whenever I'm kind of feeling that slump, just to kind of get me going. But I do really try to work 8 hours on freelancing and blogging stuff. So I'm going to kind of explain that. I'm going to show you how today's going to go, but it's 8:30 right now. I've been working for about a half an hour. I just went and checked my own emails, got my own stuff done, and then now I start on client work in the morning. So I am a freelance social media manager, and also I do like graphic design, I do writing, and I do like a bunch of things within that niche market. So I have a couple clients that I have to work on today, and I'm really excited because I seriously just love it. Like, I stay home and I am just like so in love with what I'm doing right now, and my week is a little bit different because I also do model with a local boutique. So I do that on Wednesdays and Fridays, so tomorrow. So I need to make sure I get some stuff done before then because I won't have my computer or anything those 2 days. So it's kind of like scattered, and like I do come home on like Wednesdays and Fridays and start working on stuff because I need to like catch up, because like it's crazy how I can be gone for like 8 hours a day and then like be behind on emails and stuff. So yeah, there's that. So I do have this little notebook. This is like my weekly checklist, and then I do have a big planner that really holds me accountable throughout the day, because if I didn't have a planner, if I didn't write things down, if I didn't time block, I swear I'd be like, I wouldn't know what I was doing. So that's been a super helpful thing. So I make sure I write everything down I have to do for the week, especially schoolwork too, because it's gonna be a little bit different because I have like a 15-page paper due in like 2 weeks, and I'm going out of town next week. So I need to try to get that done this week as well. So I'm kind of like backed up on the work today. So, and I decided to film this video. So yeah. But yeah, let me know what you guys do, like with what do you guys do for work? I'd really like to know, are you guys interested in like freelancing or blogging? I love to like make more videos like this because I think they're super interesting, because I watch these type of videos. So I don't know if you guys are like that too, but definitely give me a like if you are, and make sure you comment to let me know as well. But again, if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, because I post videos every single Friday. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get to it.
Just finishing up my lemon water, so it's about 9 o'clock right now, and I always start my morning off with a lemon water. If you watch my videos, you would know that. It just kind of gets everything going. You're really sleeping for however many hours you sleep, so like 8 hours, you're going without a lot of water. So I try to rehydrate in the morning before breakfast. I try to always have a warm lemon water before I eat, and then when I'm winding down for the night, and I feel like that just like really helps my body and hydrates it. You do pee a lot, but you know, that just means you're hydrated. So now I am just using my egg poacher to make some eggs and some bacon, and then I'll probably eat some fruit. So what I'm doing here is just kind of lowering my carbs and just upping the healthy fats, and that's gonna really fill me up until lunchtime. I'll probably end up going to the gym between now and maybe like noon or so, just so I can get out of the house for a little bit. It's a really rainy day here, so I'm trying to get myself motivated, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm in the car now. I'm about to head to the gym. It is 11:45, so I'll get to the gym around noon. I'll do a good like hour session, drive back home, and then get back to work around, you know, 1:30 or 2. So I kind of break my day up like this just because, you know, after doing 3-4 hours of work, I'm ready to like get up, take a break, take a lunch. So I've been doing my gym sessions like midday just so I can get a little afternoon pick me up, because I just need to get that energy, because when you're sitting at a computer all day, sometimes you just get unmotivated in the afternoons and all that stuff. So I try to make time for a gym session. I love going in the mornings, but it's just like my brain is like the most on fire in the morning, so I try to get in like my challenging work that I have to do. But yeah, that's kind of like the scoop. So I'm headed to the gym now. I'm gonna take you guys with me for a little workout just to show you guys what I'm doing in the gym, get a good HIIT session in, and then we'll be going off to the afternoon. Okay, I'm just getting back in the car. So I had a good session at the gym. I did a HIIT workout, and then I also did an inner thigh workout from Alexis Run, so I'll link my workout videos that I did below. And then I just did 30 minutes of walking while I kind of played on my phone. It's kind of like my time to catch up on things and have some me time, to be completely honest. But yeah, now I'm like starving, so I'm gonna eat a snack, go home, maybe make some lunch. It is 1:30 now, and I'm gonna go home, and then yeah, I mean, just kind of work the rest of the day and get ready for my photo shoots tomorrow. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. It is now 4 p.m. and I'm just finishing up work for the day. So that's typically how a day goes for me. Kind of hit or miss, just depending on how much work I need to do. If I have like new clients, if I have client calls, if I have meetings, like stuff like that. But yeah, today was a pretty chill day. I just had to get a lot of stuff done on the computer. So like I didn't put makeup on. I didn't really get dressed too much just because like I didn't really need to. So that's like the nice thing about freelancing and like being a blogger. It is all fun and games and everything, but it does take a lot of work, and a lot of people don't see what goes on behind the scenes. And I am busy. I work a lot. Like sometimes I'll find myself working 12 to 13 hour days. So it does get crazy sometimes. But I'm just gonna go shower, probably make some dinner, and then I have to start on this like 15-page paper. So I'm gonna do that because that's due in like 2 weeks. So I need to start on that. I can't procrastinate that much. So yeah, I might do like a morning routine for college. I don't know, would you guys be interested in that? I might think about doing like a couple more college videos, college vlogs, because I graduate so soon. So might as well, you know, why not? But anyway, yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit, but that's kind of how my workday goes, and then I'll show you guys and tell you guys what I'm kind of doing tonight. I totally forgot to end my vlog yesterday. It is now the next morning. I'm getting ready to go to photo shoots. But yeah, that was pretty much it last night. I just like ate dinner and then watched some Netflix and then winded down for bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed my day in the life of a freelancer and blogger. If you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up because that supports me. And make sure you subscribe to me because I post new videos every single Friday, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!